So here we are. This is at the top section of Nightingale Street. This is, as you can see on that sign there, this is Florence Street, which is the northern part, the western part of where this estate or this development is planned. So you can see there's a roundabout up there. Right, and as we go round, that first building is the corner of the aged care home. You've got the ambulance Victoria station, which is fantastic. Florence Street, as you can see, that's part of the aged care home, but you can see how it's beautifully protected and shielded from the beautiful heritage vista that we have here. And next to it, this house will be retained. It's the Maryborough Psychology and Health Clinic. And then we go down to these two houses here, which is House 5. House will be the vacant block next to it, which is block 3. And then the other house, which is 1. So we'll just get around this beautiful tree. So as you can see on the site of the house, or lot 3, there is absolutely no notification whatsoever. I'll move a little bit faster. And once again, there's another car going into the bottle shop. So you can see there is no sign on number 3. Coming eastward down the hill on Nightingale Street, no signage whatsoever stating the application. I'm holding this at chest height, so this would probably be your view if you're in a car. So we'll just wait for the traffic to go here. We'll go across the road, and there's the sign there on the gate stating the application. And then we go round the corner. This house is built very, very close to the side of this is the side of the street, and there's the other sign here. As you can see, mounted extremely well, which can be seen from this position, but the minute you get here, it cannot be seen. And we cannot see a sign anywhere down here. So in a COVID-19 situation that we're still in, where up until last week you weren't allowed to walk down the street and take photos, that sign would never be visible. You'd never be able to come down here. Cars were not allowed on the road. So putting up a planning application with in a COVID-19 situation and not advertising it, we deem as being very, very unfortunate. It's not adequate. So there's the sign again, and now let's go up and just have a look at the vista. That we've got here. You can see how busy the bottle shop is. There's another one coming in and another one leaving and another one coming in. So these predominantly are our concerns, and we feel they should be addressed. So today There's Saturday, May, I think it's the 23rd today, 10 o'clock, on the corner of Clarendon and Nightingale Street. Thank you.